some money to the sky, oh yeah. I'ma be finessing till I die, oh yeah. We gon' fuck around for the night, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm doing another Isee hair review. It's a really exciting one today because it's something that's out of my comfort zone. Today I will be installing a pink unit from Isee Hair. This unit is 10 inches and I think it's a 13 by 4 lace. So I'm really excited to try this one on. It's the New Year's, and this is also a unit from Isee Hair. I decided that I wanted to, switch it up. I had it on for 3 days. I really like this hair. I just got out of the shower, so it has the wet look going on right now. Okay. And so this is the pink unit. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this unit. It's so pretty. Look at this color, bro. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm really excited. So let's just get started. Also, my edges aren't like disappearing as much as I thought they would. Cause I've been putting like the glue on my edges, like on my edges here. And I thought by now it'd be like gone, but it's not that bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some hair growth oil. I'm gonna go ahead and take some conditioner and mix it with some vitamin E oil and the hair growth oil. And I'm gonna take some water in my palm of my hand, and I'm gonna apply this to the ends of my hair to moisturize it first. So this is kind of just the process that I do to make sure that my hair is growing underneath my braids, or my hair is growing underneath my wig.
Stupid.
But before I start, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make sure that the knots are not pink. So I'm gonna put makeup on the lace. I use the Fit Me loose powder to do this. So I got done putting makeup on the lace. You can see the lace, and it also made the roots of the hair more brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lace on. I'm kind of scared. I'm actually really scared. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So for the rest of this, you're just gonna see me do what I normally do, and hopefully you can understand it visually. I'm so sorry, y'all. My fingerprint touched my camera and now my video is foggy. I also got really tired of writing the steps, so I'm just gonna say everything else. So right now I think I'm in step. Oh, I'm still in step 6, so I'm just perfecting my lace, and I'm putting mousse on it. Like I said, I don't know why I'm putting mousse on it. I just love mousse. I just be putting it on everything and hoping it fix it. So I'm just gonna let this set for about. I'm still here. 5 to 10 minutes. So my favorite part of all time is coming up, and that's just basically styling the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start that by doing my edges. Back. It's been like 10 minutes, and while I was just waiting for my hair to dry, I kind of did my makeup a little bit. Just a little bit of makeup. And here it is. Here's like the reveal. Oh my god. This is actually the most cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and mousse it up. They did give me some lashes, so just to complete my super like simple makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and put on these lashes. Alright guys, this is the final look of this hair. I think I did a lot better at laying this lace than I did the previous time, but look at me! Who is that? It's Nemo 2020. Oh my god, I'm gonna be late to work, y'all. Bro, I'm gonna be late to work. So I just realized that my camera got really foggy because I think like I'm gonna have to do my outro again. Oh my god. But guys, this is the final look of the hair. Guys, I'm absolutely in love with this. But yeah, this is so exciting. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Straight to that money, oh yeah, we gon' run into the hundreds, oh yeah, we gon' stack up that money, oh yeah. Tried to tell you the gang, guess you couldn't hear. I jumped in the game with no fear. She set me up, made me say, oh yeah. We